Hi there. We've reached the end of the semester. It's the last week. This is my last recording with you. I hope that you have learned a lot this semester. I am just thrilled at all of the effort that you have put in to the projects that I set up for you. I hope that you've listened to at least some of the recordings that I included in the modules. And if you have, then you're aware of a wide variety of environmental issues that are facing us as we go forward. This is your planet too, and you are going to inherit it from my generation and the generation between us, because you're 2 generations behind me now. And I always feel the need to apologize to your generation for what my generation has done. We were the first ones who understood what was happening on the planet, because it was clear by the 70s what was going on. Thanks to Rachel Carson with her study on DDT, and thanks to scientists who knew what was happening with carbon dioxide and the potential for global warming. And we did nothing. We demonstrated a lot in the 60s and early 70s, and I was one of those hitchhiking hippies myself, thinking, yes, I care about the planet. And we sold out. We just did. We sold out to the system. And it's easy to sell out when you have a family to take care of and you need to work. And so what you do, you do what everybody else does. You do what your parents did. And one of the things that we sold out to the most that really bothers me is we sold out to the economic system. That's why I have the role of the economy as the final topic for this semester. The economy needs for us to consume. That's just how it works. That's why so many things have designed obsolescence. They want things to wear out. They being, the whole system, the manufacturers, everyone. Because if things last for a really long time, like they used to, then you're not buying. You're not contributing to the economy. And then, they also sell us on all these things that they want us, the advertisers, the companies, want us to believe that we absolutely need. And so we rush out to buy them, the frilly new things or the glittery new things or the new laptop every year because we need the latest and greatest in technology. And I'm an Apple fan, I got to admit it, but Apple does the same thing. The mechanisms work for a long time, but like I have an iPhone 6, and guess what? The apps are going to stop working because it's now obsolete. So I'm being forced to buy a new phone, even though the old one works perfectly well. It was the same thing with my iPhone 4. I loved that thing, but the apps stopped working. And that's just one example. There are tons of examples out there about how we are forced to consume and then how we are encouraged to consume. And what happens to the things that we consume when we're done with them? Well, we know. They go into the landfill. Recycling is pretty much a myth right now. Especially plastics recycling. A couple of you have focused on that for your projects. And like the vast majority of plastics go into the landfill or end up in the oceans. What's happening in the oceans is just a crime. So, like I said, I feel the need to apologize on behalf of my generation, I'm a boomer, to your generation for the mess that we are leaving you. But hopefully, through this course, you have become more aware of the choices that you can make, of the issues out there, and how your choices can help to reduce your own personal footprint. Please spread the word, talk to people, raise awareness by teaching this class to you. That's my way of raising awareness. Now, all of you have greater understanding of the environmental issues that are facing you. And if each of you talks with 3 or 4 of your friends and that spreads it, that's 100 people. And if they talk, then that increases the number of people who know. And that's what we need. We need for all of us to cut down on our consumption, to stop throwing things away, to object to this disposable lifestyle that we've been asked to adopt because of the economic system. I'm convinced that there is a way to support the economic system without us turning into such a disposable society. So that's my final plea to you as in my last video message. Please look at your own personal habits and try to have a lighter footprint on the planet, and talk to your friends, talk to your family. Be passionate about it, be an advocate. And you know what? If you can raise awareness, you can make a difference. Each one of you can make a difference within your sphere of influence. Thank you for everything that you've done. And I wish you well. I don't know how much longer I'll have the St. Francis email, but you can easily find me online and contact me that way. If anything ever comes up, please feel free to reach out. And I wish you well. Stay safe, stay sane, enjoy the semester break, and good luck with the rest of your projects for the semester. Bye-bye.